This video shows how to buy shares of Host Hotels and Resorts, Inc., a hotel real estate company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HST. This is an educational walkthrough and not investment advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search box and type the ticker HST to find Host Hotels and Resorts, and then select the matching listing to ensure it's the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart for recent trading. Check the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm this is the right Host Hotels and Resorts listing. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next open, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the link to eToro in the description for the same platform used in this guide.